love you very much. Very much. Very much.
Happy birthday!
Very much.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. Mahal na mahal po kita and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday mo, Lolo!
Mwah. Mwah.
Pa, happy birthday. I love you. Miss na miss ko na kayo ni Mama. We pray na give pa kayo ni Lord ng more good health, long life, at saka bigay ni God yung whatever desire ng puso ng bawat isa sa atin. Love you. Enjoy kayo sa birthday mo. Mwah.